Okay, what we have here is the PadHead for angle grinding.
Patch polishing, repolishing, all of those types of situations.
Each head is independent and spins on its own based on friction. Okay.
This head weighs 6 pounds, and as you see we have it on a TechShine tool. Total weight of tool in the head is approximately 12.5 pounds, which is really not that bad. It sets quite easily on its own. We have an adjustable speed where at this moment I'm running at 2. But because I've already been through the 400 grit, this is the 800 grit. I want it to run a little bit faster. I'm running it at 3. See how nice it sets? There's actually no resistance. This is a piece of man-made material, which is some of the hardest material to repolish. And as you can see, it's moving quite easily. We're trying to keep the piece flat, so to keep the tool moving. Circular motion seems to work the best.
Okay. There it is.
And that is an 800 grit finish.